So far we have done with like continuous sorry, on a continuous data. So far we have done with a distribution chart, how to plot, and how to check the kurtosis, how to check the skewness. Now it comes to the descriptive statistics, how to work on a descriptive statistics. It's very simple, no need to calculate for each of the column. Just what we need to do, we need to say call that data set name, then which column we need to do, on continuous column. So column name dot, if you say describe, okay, just by saying a describe, you will get it done. Like, you will get it done almost all the statistics like standard deviation. This is the mean value, this is the standard deviation value, this is the minimum value, this is the maximum value. This is nothing but a 25 percentile, that is nothing but quartile 1. This is a 75 percentile, that is a quartile 3. This is nothing but a quartile 2, that is nothing but median. Okay, median, or q2 we say quartile 2. For each of the column it has been given that that particular statistics. Like when it comes to the continuous data, we will check this. Okay, well, each of the things you can identify, like standard deviation is very high or low. We can take a difference between a minimum and maximum to get the range of the values. Okay, means the distribution range. Then we can get the like a 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile. This says that like quartile 1, like 25% of the houses, like front age is less than 60. 60 to 69, another 25% of houses are there. 69 to 79, another 25%. 79 and above, like around 113, up to that 113. Between this we have another 25% of the data. Like lot of data we have within, like around 50% of data we can see between 60 to 79. Like this we can interpret, like where exactly my data comes. Okay, which data range I have a maximum percentage of the data. These things we can check by using this descriptive statistics. In a statistical section, we have discussed in detail like each of the statistics, how it will be interpreted and all. Again, you can go through that videos and you can interpret here also same way. Okay, quartiles, quartile 1, quartile 3. We use it for a identification of the outlier, right? So same thing here also we can do. We can check is there any outlier in a data or not. uh, we will see that how can we identify the outlier visually, as well as by calculation also, how to identify the outlier. We will check in a coming session. This is all about a descriptive statistics, like which are the descriptive statistics we will be having in our data. For each of the column wise we have been taken which are the descriptive statistics we have. For the continuous data, when you have, these are the descriptive statistics you need to take. By using this descriptive statistic, again we can check what kind of uh, data it will be, like what is about that particular data and all. We will do it in a coming session.